Come with me to check out some of the viral spots in Tokyo. It's already 9 p.m. and we're so tired pero gusto pa naming mamasyal. And I have to say, must have talaga itong Tokyo Subway Pass that I got from Klook because you get free train rides sa kanilang metro and toei lines. Second day pa lang namin in Japan pero nasulit na namin agad itong pass sa dami ng napuntahan namin. Ang laki ng matitipid mo sobra and it's so convenient to use. If gusto nyo rin ito, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. Anyway, our first stop is the Shinjuku Cat. It's this giant 3D billboard on an LED screen right above Shinjuku Station. The cat randomly appears to stretch, nap, and meow at the fans. It's completely free, you just need to look up and enjoy the cuteness. If you're in Tokyo, then come say hi to the Shinjuku Cat. Up next is the iconic Tokyo Tower. From afar, the tower looks red but it's actually orange. And this used to be the tallest structure in Japan for over 50 years until the Tokyo Sky Tree. But actually, ito talaga yung hinahanap ko. The viral 7-Eleven spot with the view of the Tokyo Tower. I was expecting na sobrang daming tao but it's actually just us and another couple. And of course, we took millions of photos and clips because everything is content. Like and save this video if gusto nyo rin ito mapuntahan and more Japan adventures coming soon, so hit the follow button to stay updated. Yun lang, okay, thanks, bye!